Hi, it's Gina with Wigs by Zioni's and Zioni's Healthy Hair Care. And today we'll be talking about why you should pick a custom wig over a factory wig. And as we all know, it's Wisdom Wine and Wigs Wednesday. Stay tuned. Hey y'all. So today we'll be talking about why you should pick a custom wig over a factory wig. Now I know factory wigs are a little less expensive. I know that they're easy to get, but at the same time, factory wigs are very basic. And not that they're not nice, I'm not saying that at all, but they can be very basic. A custom wig is going to be made to your measurements and to your liking. So we're talking about from the cut, to the color, to the type of hair, the curly, body wave, whatever you want, which I know you can get that with a factory wig, but I know. Hold on, let me finish what I was saying. Jeez, you're making me have to drink this wine. Anyway, several colors. You can change it up however you want. So why pick a factory wig? You would have to still, let's say you picked a factory wig, factory wig. Let's say it's $100. Great deal, right? But I wanted to have some color. Now I gotta call a stylist, see if they're willing to work on wigs, because not every stylist works on wigs. See if they're willing to work on a wig. If so, would they be willing to now go in and customize this wig for you? Now I know some stylists that do this, a service, but this service can run you another $100 to $200 depending on what you want and how long the hair is, how thick the hair is. At that point, you done bought a wig. You bought the wig for $100, and now if you need a service to get it cut and colored the way you want it and styled for another maybe $100 to $150, you done bought a $250 wig already. And you had to make time for the appointment, and you had to get it over there, and then you had to go pick it back up. Why not just buy a custom wig from the big gate? And the factory wig is still not cut to your head or a size for your head. It's just a small, medium, or large. Nothing wrong with that. I'm not saying that there is. There are some beautiful factory wigs out there. I'm just saying, me personally, if I'm going to spend a certain amount of money, I might as well spend it all in one place and get what I want. This here is a custom wig that I made. As you can see, there's custom color just in the top. Custom cut, shorter in the back to long in the front. Long on this side, a semester cut, shorter on this side. This is the cut that I have for this wig. Now, will you find a factory wig like this? You might find something like it, but not exact. And you would still have to kind of switch it up to what you want. Why not just go ahead and have a custom wig made exactly how you want it? Now, why should you choose me over others? Because it's me. Your answers keep making me drink this. Jeez. But no, seriously. I love my clients, and I try to make sure that you guys are beyond happy. I'm going to correspond with you, make sure, did you say highlights here? Did you say you wanted this? I'm going to send you pictures. Is this what you want? Is this okay? Do we need to go higher? Do we need to do this? Do we need to do that? The money that you spent with me will be well spent, because I'm very much into making sure that you're happy with your product that you're getting from me. And I want you to be confident when you walk out in my wig, because your confidence is my business. So make sure that you go to www.zionis.com and order your next wig. What are you waiting for?
Stop. I don't want anymore. I don't make me do it.
Anyways, make sure that you go ahead and subscribe and like so that you don't miss out on another one of these great conversations that we're having. And make sure that if you have any questions, just put them in the comments below. I'll make sure to get to you as soon as possible. I hope that you guys have a blessed day. Stay safe out there. The pandemic's still going on. Please do not let your guard down. I know it's easy to be out here and enjoying and having fun. We miss our friends. I miss all of my clients and my friends dearly. I do. But it's just not worth the risk. And the sad part is you won't know it's too bad or that it's going to be the worst for you until it's the worst for you. And by then it might be too late. It's not worth it. Love y'all. Hope to see you soon. All right.